Hi, welcome back to my channel. So I've brought you outside with me today to listen to nature. I was attempting to upload some readings earlier, but there were a few distractions, so my readings got interrupted. So let's find out what our messages are today. Let's put us some messages. Okay, so we have dragon spirit, the supernatural. So it's interesting because we're under the Aries new moon energy at this time. So it says, you are the ancient wise sage. You can shapeshift at will. Mastery is your destiny. Rise with dignity. And we also have bison, abundance. Sacred buffalo, cloak me with your wisdom. Keep me warm through the storms of life. Fill my life with goodness. Teach me the way of gratitude and prayer. The underlying energy here is love, a dear energy. So be gentle with yourself. You heal with the power of love. See the light in all things. Acknowledge your self-worth and grace. So what do the angels of light want you to know today? What do the angels of light want you to know today? And we have Archangel Zadkiel. Archangel Zadkiel will help you to find tolerance and forgiveness. He works on the violet ray of purification and transmutation, helping you to release lower vibrations and ascend to a higher way of being. To ascend to a higher way of being. To help you rise with dignity. Ancient angel wisdom suggests that you visualize yourself in the violet flame and invoke Archangel Zadkiel to help you. Place your troubles and difficult relationships within the flame so that all negativity is transmuted. You are blessed to have drawn this card today, for it indicates that you are ready to walk the path of light. So today, be cleansed within the violet flame. Okay, so let's pull a fortune cookie as we're entering a new month. Did you see it fly? Assert yourself. Go for what you want. The time is ripe for soulmate connections. Birth of a child is also likely. You see, I've got grass attached to me. It's funny. Floating in the grass. So positive work outcomes. Consistent efforts will bring rewards, and a major purchase is worth making. Okay, let's put a divine door, shall we? Oh, we have Jude's song, a reminder for even the most hopeless of lost cases. If you can find peace within the strangest of places. It's like me right now, just sat in the middle of a field. I'm quite a cold, chilly day, but hey, I've come prepared. So I challenge you to unpack your mind. In Mediterranean's grace, the soul can unwind. Breathe in, breathe out. Let go of doubt. So wherever you are, find that moment's peace. So that you can acknowledge your self-worth and grace. Because as you be gentle with yourself, you're healing yourself. So fill your cup with goodness today. You're reminded, remember, that you are the ancient, wise soul, and you can shapeshift at will. Mastery is your destiny. Rise with dignity. And the sacred buffalo is here, keeping me warm through the storms of life, filling my life with goodness, teaching me the way of gratitude and prayer. Okay, so the angels spoke again. So our final cards. I brought more cards with me than anticipated. Whoa. So if you've been confused about a situation in your life, suddenly everything is going to become completely clear to you. So perhaps the angels are going to reveal their truth to you, the truth to you. Or perhaps your friends are going to disclose some truth to you. But either way, you are awake and aware now. So allow yourself to take this time, if that's what you need. Much love. Take care. Hello, baby. Oh, hello, darling. I finished now. Yeah, I finished now. I was gonna go home now, baby. You were waiting to say hello. Oh, are you looking for your friends? Hello, beautiful. You are very beautiful. Hello, darling. You coming to say hello? That's okay. Oh, hello. Hello, baby. It's okay. Hello, darling. You can say hello. Yeah, give me your hand. Yeah. Hello, darling. It's okay. Oh. Oh, hello. Hello, beautiful. Hello, darling. Yeah, you saying hello. That's a good girl. Hello, beautiful. Oh, getting cuddles. Oh, hello. Right, let me pick up my phone now. Oh, hello, darling. You coming to say hello? I gotta turn the button off now.